Shivakumar is scheduled to take oath as Chief Minister today, marking a formal leadership transition in the Congress government after several days of consultations within the party's central leadership. The developments came after the Congress High Command finalized the cabinet list on Wednesday morning just ahead of the swearing-in ceremony. Former Home Minister G. Parameswara is said to take oath as Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister. Meanwhile, preparations are underway for the swearing-in of other ministers who will be part of D.K. Shivakumar's cabinet, with selections reportedly made while considering caste and community balance. U.T. Khadar quits as Assembly Speaker, said to become Minister. In another key development, MLC Yatindra Siddaramaiah, son of former Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, is also expected to take oath as a minister. While the final allocation of portfolios has not yet been announced, sources indicate that Priyank Kharge, whose Dalit right is likely to be assigned as the Home Department along with the IT and BT portfolios. Yatindra Siddaramaiah is expected to be given the Urban Development portfolio. According to party sources, several ministers from the previous Siddaramaiah-led cabinet are likely to be retained in the new team. These include MB Patil, who's Lingayat, KG George, who's Christian, KH Muniappa, who's Dalit left, Ramalinga Reddy, who's Reddy, Satish Jarkiholi, who's ST, Krishna Bairegowda, who's Okkaliga, Sharan Prakash Patil, who's Lingayat, Bhairati Suresh, who's Kuruba, and Ishwar Kandre, who's Lingayat. Earlier, on Tuesday, June 2nd, the Congress appointed outgoing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah to the Congress Working Committee, the party's highest decision-making body, as part of the ongoing transition process. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.